Isn't it fascinating how far medical technology has come? Yet, aren't we still grappling with the challenge of repairing and regenerating damaged tissues and organs? Imagine the potential if we could overcome this limitation. Enter BIOMED, an innovation that's rewriting the rules of what's possible. A portable device, it's like a construction crew for your body, working tirelessly to repair and restore damaged tissues and organs. So, how does this marvel work? Well, think of damaged tissues and organs like a building in need of renovation. BIOMED is the architect, the contractor, and the construction crew all rolled into one. It uses the latest in biomedical engineering techniques to repair and rebuild, much like a construction crew would restore a dilapidated building. The device is equipped with some of the most advanced sensors and imaging technology in the medical field. This technology is like the eyes and ears of the device, providing real-time feedback and ensuring pinpoint accuracy during procedures. BIOMED's portability is another game changer, like having a mobile hospital ward, allowing the technology to be transported and used in various medical settings, from small clinics to large hospitals, and even in remote areas where medical facilities might be scarce. But what truly sets BIOMED apart, what makes it a beacon of hope in the medical world, are the numerous benefits it offers. It's not just about repairing and restoring, it's about recovery, about giving patients a chance to regain their health faster and more effectively than ever before. With BIOMED, we're not just dreaming of a future where damaged tissues and organs can be repaired with ease. We're building it. It's a future where medical technology is no longer limited by the complexities of the human body, but instead is empowered by them. It's a future where recovery is not just a hope, but a reality. BIOMED is more than just a device. It's a revolution in medical technology, a beacon of hope for patients, and a testament to human ingenuity. And it's here today, changing lives one tissue, one organ, one patient at a time.